Okay, I just dropped my pen. So this is a clarification on determining the rate determined step. So this is number 2 on your problem set. So technically there are two reactions. The thing is that so it's from your reactants to the transition state each time, and from there you determine which one is the rate determining step, which is the highest. So because you're supposed to measure from the reactants to the transition state each time. So since these are pretty similar in height, there is actually no true rate determining step because they're very similar in height. I mean, you can argue maybe one's a little bit bigger, but so they're technically, for this one, there's no true rate determining step because they're about the same height. Over here, this is number 5 from your problem set. You had the 6 different graphs to look at energy and reaction coordinates. So you had to tell me what the differences were between them, how many steps there were, etc. So like this is 1 step, 2 step, 2 step, and you had to figure out which of the following is the rate determining step. So this arrow here is kind of, sorry, this one right here is kind of not necessarily like the most important thing to follow, but again, you're comparing from the reactants to the transition state. So this first one is the rate determining step. Over here, since you can argue that it's the first one because this one is a little bit bigger compared to this one over here. So let me do it. It's like this is bigger than that one, just by a little bit. Over here we're going through, these are 3 steps with your 2 intermediates in each of them. So again, you are comparing your reactants to your transition state in each of these particular things. So the first one is the rate determining step here, from here to here, here to here, and then here to here. So the first one's the rate determining step, because this is way bigger than these other ones. It's kind of ugly. Over here, again, from here to here, here to here, here to here. So again, the first one is a rate determining step because the greatest difference is between the transition state and then the reactants for each of these reactions here in this particular reaction. Each of the elementary steps, sorry, better word to use. So that is it. I hope this clarifies things. If you have any questions, please let me know. Hit the like and subscribe.